Hi guys, so I don't know how much of you guys know this, but your Pomifitness can be wrapped up like this. Okay, so all I have to do is just fold it the way where the logo is. So you fold it in from this direction and you wrap it all the way up, and then you just use the elastic portion of it and then you seal it. It's pretty cool. It's a trick I found out while I was at the barber shop with the boys, and I was like, I really wish this could go smaller, because I used to have to throw it down by the sides and I wanted it to go a little bit smaller. So I just try it out and it worked. My love, I'm like, sure I am, but I know about this couple months now, you know, but I always forget the video for sure now. So this is my brand, Pomifitness. I am Jamaican, a Jamaican woman. I'm a mother of two handsome, amazing boys, and these belts are still on sale. They were 8,500, but they're now 7,000 flat, exclusive of delivery cost, bitch. Honey, it's a whole statement out here. It's a whole statement out here.